Hello, this is Andrew Womack, and I want to encourage you to participate in our Healing is Here conference. We've been holding this in the U.S. for, I think it's 11 years, and we've been having miraculous results, and it's been so powerful that we actually have taken it on the road. And we have some of the different people that are associated with our ministry here that travel all over the world, and they take the exact same things that we minister here and they share them worldwide. We've done this. I've heard some miraculous reports. Daniel Amstutz once told me that he and Carly Teradez actually prayed for a couple, and the man was blind and the woman was deaf, or maybe it was the other way around, but both of them got healed, and so they were able to see and hear each other for the very first time. And we've been seeing great miracles happen. So you're going to have some information on your screen about where these Healing is Here conferences will be, about who the speakers will be, and every one of these speakers are either people that have been healed and came through our ministry and they're part of our healing journeys, or they're people that have been on staff and they've been trained in healing. And I promise you that I believe they are going to help you receive your healing from the Lord. So again, we have that information on the screen. I encourage you to come and join with us. Bring someone who needs to be healed, and praise God, we believe that healing here is going to bring healing there wherever you are.